morning, everyone. It's Sarah from the Illinois State Museum, and this morning we are going to be doing a really cool science experiment using baking soda and vinegar and a plastic bag. So I've already measured out my 1/3 cup of vinegar and added some food coloring into the bag. That is also what I have in here, 1/3 cup of vinegar with some blue food coloring. We're going to do this experiment 2 different ways and see which one works better. So this one, you're going to take your plastic bag and pour your 1/3 cup of vinegar into the bag. And bunch it up and pinch it off with your safety pin, or clothespin, I guess I should say. So it creates a little pocket at the top, and that is where you're going to add your baking soda. So in this case, you need 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Pretty good amount. 1. Here is our second one. Set our other supplies off to the side. And then we are going to seal it. And you gotta make sure you seal it really tight. So you don't want any air getting in there. And then for our other one, we are going to take our paper towel that already has our 2 tablespoons of baking soda on it, and we are going to fold it up and create kind of like a little envelope pocket that will stick inside of our baggie. Before we do that, we're going to really seal up part of it, about half our bag, so we don't have to seal as much when we stick our baking soda envelope in. Make sure it's really sealed. Sealing them up really tight, and release the baking soda in this one. Remember, sometimes science experiments don't always go the way you want them to, or they might take longer, but it's all about experimenting and seeing what might happen. Oh! It exploded! Did you think that's what was going to happen?